Today we'll talk about how can you find linked devices on your Wake We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go above your photo, click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list of your profile. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on edit profile. So then you come to your profile here. Then all you have to do now, just go down and you click here on security here. When you click on security, it's going to take you to this list. Just switch into open video, so it's going to take a time. Then you go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on linked devices here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then here you will find all devices linked here in this list. I have my device here, so but if you have a lot, can you find it? That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.